Good morning, students. In the previous video we have discussed on Santosh. Santosh wanted to get education, but her parents was not agreed, so she decided that she would bear the expenses of the education doing some part-time work. Now we will continue from paragraph 7. Thereafter Santosh went on an expedition every year. Now she joined Uttarkashi Nehru Institute of Mountaineering, and after that it has become her routine that every year she went for the expedition, a difficult assignment every year. Her climbing skills matured rapidly. Also she developed a remarkable resistance opposition to cold and altitude. Equipped with an iron will, his desire was like an iron, and she became used to live in a cold climate, and an surprising mental toughness, hardness of the mind. She proved herself repeatedly, and she continued her efforts for the culmination top point of her hard work and sincerity came in 1992. Just 4 years after she had shyly with shyness asked the Aravalli Mountains if she could join them. And within 4 years, she was able to go on the Mount Everest at barely 20 years of age. At that time, her age is only 20 years. Santosh Yadav scaled Mount Everest, becoming the youngest woman in the world to achieve the feat, a notable act, and she proved herself that she was able to climb on Mount Everest. If her climbing skills, physical fitness, and mental strength impressed her seniors, her concern for others and desires to work together with them found a special place in the heart of fellow climbers. Now, her climbers were very much impressed. During the 1992 Everest mission, Santosh Yadav provided special care to a climber who lay dying at the south pole. She was unfortunately unsuccessful in saving him. In 1992, Santosh Yadav provided a special care to a climber who lay dying at the South Pole, a low point in the mountain, but she was unfortunately unsuccessful in saving him. However, she managed to save another climber. She was able to save another climber named Mohan Singh, who would have met with the same fate had she not shared her oxygen with him. She shared her oxygen with him. Within 12 months, Santosh found herself a member of an Indo-Nepalese women's expedition that invited her to join them. She joined Indo-Nepalese women's expedition. She then scaled Mount Everest a second time, thus setting a record as the only woman to scale them. And this was the second time she also scaled the Everest, and securing for herself and India a unique place in the annals. And securing for herself and India a unique place in the annals of mountaineering. Annals means history. In recognition of her achievement, the Indian government conferred upon her one of the nation's top honor, and she was awarded for the nation's highest award, the Padma Shri. Describing her feelings When she was literally on the top of the world, Santosh has said it took some time for the enormity. Enormity means excess of the moment to sink in. Then I unfurled, hoisted the Indian tricolor and held it aloft high up on the roof of the world. The feeling is indescribable. That feeling was indescribable when she unfurled the Indian tricolor there. The feeling is indescribable, which we cannot describe. The Indian flag was flying on the top of the world. It was truly a spiritual moment. That was a spiritual moment. I felt proud as an Indian, and she felt very proud as she was an Indian. Also a fervent means great environmentalist, Santosh collected and brought down 500 kilograms of garbage from the Himalayas. And now she also brought down 500 kilogram of rubbish from the Himalayas. So students, I think you are able to understand this story about इसके बारे में संतोष यादव. So students,